And what happened was I got home and I was looking at my stuff again, and then I just accidentally see the tag. What the heck? Accidentally got a YSL belt without even knowing it.
I can't trust little shawty, she don't run up. Cut this Cartier like a stunner. That little shawty a house, so I can't.
Hi, I'm giving ball today. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing not only a haul, like OG back in the day haul, but I'm also going to be showing you how I styled these items that I have thrifted. Oh yeah, also it's an all thrifted haul. Also, hi, my name is Natasha. If you didn't already know, if you haven't seen any of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out a few because that's fun. Okay, so plan for today's video. I'm gonna do a little haul of things that I have thrifted throughout this September month. I'll section it up by store or place that I have bought it at, and also let you know the address and everything so you can check it out yourself if you're ever in Sweden, or I've also shopped some stuff online, so I'll let you know all about that. And then we'll get into a little styling sesh and trying to put outfits together with these items. So let me not talk too much and get right on into the video. The first place, and this is actually my most recent purchase, I only got it a few days ago because I purchased it online on one of my favorite thrifting apps, which is Vinted. If you don't know what Vinted is, it's just an app where people can sell their clothes secondhand or not used, and I just seem to always find so good stuff. It might take a little bit of scrolling before you really find like a gem, but trust me, when you find a gem, it's like finding a treasure. I was scrolling one day, or actually for a few days on Vinted, because I was looking for a pair of pointed kitten heels because I didn't want them to be too high. I want to like use them, you know, for school and stuff, so I want them to be kind of comfortable still. I found these super cute kitten heels that are originally from Zara. If I show you the heel, as you can see, it's very tiny. It's in this like satiny material with metal studs all over it, and then it has a little bow right here at front. I mean, I already tried them on like directly when I got them, and the only thing is I might just try and add like some sort of strap here to go around my ankle. No, to go around my heel, because I do feel like they're kind of giving flip-flops vibes when I walk, so I feel like I'm literally about to lose them. But they're so cute. I love them so much. I feel like that one article I already said too much. Like I need to just get on with the haul. Almost forgot about this one actually. But the second place was like a little garage sale, so it was just happening for one day, so I can't really say exactly where this is from, but I got a huge jacket, really long, and I really like material of it too. Hair does get caught on this very easily, but the original brand from this is called Lager 157. I think it's Swedish. I can't really give prices for everything because I don't actually remember, but if I do, I'll make sure to put it up on the screen. So next place, I didn't film it for YouTube, but I did a little TikTok vlog. If you do want to go watch that, go over to my TikTok. I can also link it down below. And it's this like huge yellow house in the middle of nowhere, and the whole house is filled with just like secondhand stuff, and they're only open on Saturdays for like 3 hours, but they had pretty good stuff. So let me show you what I got. We can start off with this very simple white shirt. I mean, it's just a basic and great to have in your closet. It also has a little pocket on one side here, and you can button it up all the way to the top, because I do have a white shirt already, but mine only like the first buttons start like down here, so I really wanted one that started all the way at the top. Super nice. They have really nice stuff there for really good prices, so like you'll find this is like pretty good quality, and if I remember correctly, I think I got it for like 60 crowns, which is a little less than like 6 euros. We love. Moving on, I also got this blazer over there. You might not be able to see it right now, but if I go in a little bit closer, it's actually striped black and white, and the original brand is Vera Moda, so that's nice. And it says that it's a size 42, which would be like a large, and I wear like extra small slash small, but it looks really good oversized. Like I don't know, the arms for some reason aren't like super long, and it's a little little bit, it just, I don't know, it stops just right where it needs to be. Another great find. I also got some accessories, and I got a great surprise when I got home, which I'm going to tell you in a second. I decided to get 2 belts, also because they were so extremely cheap that I had to get them. This first one kind of has, I would say, gold-ish details that have been a little bit worn off, and then kind of snakeskin pattern leather thing. I need to add some holes in it because it's actually huge right now. And then this one, which is like a browny reddish color, and it looks so stunning. When I saw it, I was like, I immediately have to get it. Also, this is the color of fall 2023, guys. Like, you need to get on it. This one has gold details, really nice. And what happened was I got home and I was looking at my stuff again, and then I just accidentally see the tag here. I'm like, oh wait, what does it say? I take a closer look. Tell me why it says YSL. What the heck? So that was a steal, because this was like 20 crowns, I think. I literally accidentally got a YSL belt without even knowing it. Period. And then lastly, which was a little bit unexpected, but I saw it and I was like, I think I have to get it. I got a gold bag, like literally a gold bag, and it was also so cheap. I really like the size of it. I can actually fit my computer in here, which is kind of crazy. And yeah, it's just really nice. And then inside it's like this satiny yellow. It's a vibe. Like this with a basic outfit, yes. And you'll see that in the styling part. Okay, that was everything from that like house. And then I have some thrift stores that I go to quite often because they're kind of close to me. First one is called Björk och Frihet. I think I got it from there. I'm pretty sure I did. And I got this really cozy knit sweater. It's white, really nice, and I love how wide the arms are, and they have this, I don't know, little sewn on detail here. A really cozy sweater. I've been wearing it so much. I love it. Then I went to Myrorna, which is like my favorite thrift store ever. Wherever you go in Sweden, they always have Myrorna, and it's always like the best thrift store ever. I found a pair of weekday jeans in this dark wash, which is perfect for fall because I really wanted that. The style of these is called row. These are the row, and they're like a straight leg pant, quite long because they're a little bit oversized. It doesn't say what size they're in normally. I think I have like a 25 or 24 or 25, and I think these would be like a maybe a 26. You know, they're baggy and it just looks good on. And then I also found a really cute necklace when I was there, like a black here. And then okay, originally it looks like this at the front with sparkles, but I like to wear it like backwards and just have this out like that. Super cute. Okay, and then the last place that I went to, by the way, I just need to remind you guys that this is stuff that I have bought. It's been a whole month, so this is not just like one shopping spree, okay? And it's more than what I usually buy as well, so yeah. And the last place that I went to is called Erikshjälpen, also exists all over Sweden, and the one that I have here close to me is like a ginormous one, so they have loads of stuff, and I feel like I always find something there, so I did this time too. Firstly, we have this. It's like a green shimmery shirt, and I thought it could be so good, I don't know, for like a dinner vibe, but I actually, when I was thinking about how I want to style it, I have no idea, so we need to figure this out together because I really want to find a way to wear this because I want to wear it, you know? So this is going to be interesting to style, and it's originally from Gina Tricot, which is also a Swedish brand, famous vibes. And then I also found this top, which is originally from Uniqlo. It's also a size M, so it's quite big, but like instantly when I put it on, I loved how it looked on the back, and so I had like a whole vision for how I can make it look a little bit better at front, and hopefully we can figure that out today together as well. But also the material is like, I almost want to say it's, you know, when it's not denim, but it's like trouser material. I mean, as a fashion student, I feel like I should know what this is called. Wait, I can literally read it if it has a tag. Oh my god, yes it does. It's made out of, okay, nobody knows. What? Oh, sorry, it's just made out of cotton. But I just like how like kind of stiff-ish the material is. I have been loving white blouses, long sleeved lately, that are like either out of linen or cotton, like not t-shirt material. I have been into that lately, and especially when they're white for some reason. So that was, I think, the last item of this haul. So as you saw, quite a few things, but I think we should hop right into the styling part. And what I want to do is I'm gonna try and style a few of these things together, like let's say 2 of the thrifted items in one outfit and stuff like that. Let me start with the outfits that I have kind of already planned out, and then get to the ones where we need to figure it out a little bit more together. I'm gonna get changed and I'll be back. Okay, for this first outfit, it's giving basic, but I love it. Like, I love it so much. Let me point the camera down a little bit so we can see a bit more. So as you can see, I'm wearing the blazer, first of all. I mean, giving professional. Then I also put on the weekday jeans. As you can see, they are a little bit baggy, so sometimes maybe they look a little weird. And then I paired them with some Adidas Sambas. See, this outfit right here, it's giving organized, it's giving put together, it's giving great. Don't look like you've tried too much, but you slayed at the same time. I personally think this outfit is absolutely great. Take inspiration from this. This is a basic tank top with just a blazer, jeans, and some sneakers. And the sneakers have some red details, so I added a little red bag, so it just mixes together. And then also always just add some jewelry. Do a fun hairstyle if you think it's too basic. I could have easily added like a bow in my hair, right here, boom. Maybe another bow here, boom. And then added a bow to my bag, boom, to also go with that. You know, have fun with it. I say we go right on into the next outfit. I want to try and do another transition. Okay, let's go. Okay, I actually don't know if that transition was good or not. I tried. So this next outfit, I just realized, is a little bit similar in the way that I have a gold bag, and on my shoes I have gold details, and they're also Adidas shoes. I didn't actually mean to do that, but as you can see, the front of this top, it's not giving much. I really like just the way that it falls on the back. I don't know if the front is giving too much. Actually, I don't mind it. I'm not gonna say I hate it because I don't, but I think something could happen here. Also, I stuffed this bag with a pair of jeans to make it just look a little bit more full so it wasn't empty. I found a little trick on TikTok that I thought I could incorporate here. So let me try that out. The only thing you need for this is a hoop earring or bracelet or just something round, and then a hairband. You can do this on any type of clothing, like if you want to do it on a dress, a skirt, whatever, especially if the dress or the skirt is a little bit loose on you and you want it to sit tight. This is a perfect hack for that. I'm thinking of doing it here, or should I do it? The earring is on the outside of the material, so I'm gonna put it here in the middle, and then the hairband goes on the inside, and you just wrap the hairband around. This is what it's gonna look like on the inside. Then you flip it over. You got a little something happening right here. I think that's cute. It gives the look a little extra detail. I mean, guys, this is so good. These jeans, I didn't thrift them this month, but I did thrift them like last year, and I think it was at Myrorna as well. So this is like a fully thrifted fit except for the shoes. That's pretty good. We have figured out another outfit, and I literally feel like I want to wear this tomorrow for school. On the back, yes. Yeah. In the middle of the room, two-step. Know that I'ma do you right 'cause of what I got left. We can take your time. Okay, the next item that is being styled is this shirt, but I am gonna put a jacket over it, so if you get confused, it's the shirt that I'm styling. And I've decided to close it only on the first button here at the top so that I can have it open and flowy here. What I want to do is, I think this could go well as like an evening look, so I'm gonna put a leather jacket with it. Just the details from the top part here are slaying right now. They're looking so good right now. And then, you know, to really make sure it looks like an evening look, put on the little kitten heels, and we just want the little points to be showing. And then we have this black and white vibe going. That's kind of cute, no? This is giving rocker vibes. With the kitten heels, it's like a little cute vibe, but then with the leather jacket, it's like rock. This could be like a planning outfits of the week for me. Amazing. Let's keep going. Let's go on to the next one. I really want to wear this belt for this outfit, but it is very much too big for me and there are no holes here. And I've already made holes in my belts with these scissors right here because they're very sharp, and I think they're originally to cut like your nails or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna try and make a hole. Oh my god, that was so easy. Look at that. They're through. Did you see how easy that was? That's cute. And then I'm gonna put on these boots. These are also one of last year's thrifts from Vinted. I think I got them for like €5, something like that. Like, so cheap. And I've been wearing them so much because they're so comfortable and they're so perfect for winter because look inside, it's all fuzzy. That is so perfect for when you live in Sweden and it's, you know, you live in a cold country but you still want to go out and look good. This is the life hack. And then another thrifted item from this month that we're gonna add to this look. This is also giving a little bit more of a night look. I'm gonna go ahead and add the jacket. That is very cute. I'm digging these vibes. This outfit is also almost thrifted completely. I have the necklace that I showed you guys before, the jacket like I just said, belt, the boots, this skirt, thrifted from Vinted, and then this top is the only thing that's not thrifted. And this top is actually so nice because it has these thumb holes. All black just always works, you know? It's also really nice for if you want to look good but keep warm. So when you're outside you can just, you know that I'ma do you right because of what I got left. We can take our time, we can move slow. I did do a day look, but I dressed it up just a little bit and put on the kitten heels again. You know, just dress it up a little bit. And so they're black details, so I decided to take my black school bag that I have every day to school. And then I'm unsure if I want to keep the necklace on for this look. I'm thinking maybe not. Maybe no necklace works a little bit better. I think I prefer that. This is an outfit that I know will keep me warm during fall and winter if I just add a little jacket on, for example. Because that's what I'm always scared of here. I'm always scared that I'm gonna be cold. I'm not gonna be cold in this outfit, that's for sure. This is actually fully thrifted. Everything I'm wearing right now is for thrifted. The shoes, the trousers, the bag, the jumper. I just did a fully thrifted outfit. This is proof that you can have thrifted clothes and be so stylish. I feel like some people have the tendency to think that thrifted clothes, they don't fit well, they don't look as good as new clothes, blah blah blah. But I am here to prove you wrong, and I hope that I'm doing that. The last thing that I have not styled yet is this green top or green shirt. I don't even know what to call it. And I really like, you know, how it's a little shiny. I don't even know if you can really see that here, but I instantly saw it as like an evening dinner look. Maybe it's not that. Maybe I could do it in a day look for that too. I think I'm gonna just try and find something and I'll get back to you when I have a little bit more of an idea. This is a difficult one. Maybe these. Okay, thought process so far is I think I want to wear this shirt kind of open here. Just close one more button. And then I put on suit pants, but I feel like maybe this is still more of like a sneaker look. I would maybe pin it with some safety pins so that it stays open a little bit. But then shoes, ooh, I'm thinking these could go a more chill evening vibe. Let me try that on actually. I mean, even if I had it completely closed, just like a oversized look is fine, I guess. This is a little more see-through than I remember that it is though. Black bag, I feel like always works. Maybe my leather jacket again. Okay, I think if I wore the leather jacket, I would have to wear this a little more close because I don't know how I would do this open. Like, guys, in all doubt, when you want to wear something with color, just wear everything else black because I don't even know how to do it otherwise. I think that could be cute. This is also more chill. Maybe if you're just going to dinner at your friend's house and not doing anything after and you're not actually going out like to a restaurant, just, you know, a little taco night. Yeah. Okay, well, you know, we found an idea, I guess. We did good, and if you have any ideas of how I can style this top, let me know in the comments down below. We have come to the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a few thrifting videos on my channel too. I even have a playlist of thrift videos where I've been thrifting in Sweden and in Hong Kong, and even when I went to Madrid I did some thrifting. So if you want to check those out, feel free to do that. And with that said, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Can't hold me 'cause her hands are tied. Do a little BSM when shit gets rough, I got family ties.